Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC, guys. Back out here at the flying field. Finally got the AMA back, so back out here at the Tennessee Eagles field. Oh yeah. Beautiful Monday, guys. Get me take up the Freewing F16 90mm ADAS running 26S or 24S 6000s, guys. So without further ado, let's get her up and go, guys. Awesome plane. No ordnance. Got all the ordnances off of it, so nice little smooth flight, hopefully. So here we go, guys. Yeah. All right, guys, let's do this a full speed off the bat. Here we go. No ordnance. Look at the vertical, guys. To be a big old heavy plane, 2.4S, that's pretty good. Full blast from the top. And snap it. Woo! Not much of a snap, but hey, it tried.
It's 15 pounds. You know the one that I'm building is 63 inches wide, and it only weighs 4 pounds without the motor.
Yeah.
Which is insane to think.
Alright, guys, let's do us a touch and go, maybe.
Gear down.
Come on, gear. Oh yeah, guys. Got the batteries a little nose heavy today. I usually run them a little farther back, but I figure we run them. We ain't gonna be doing just cruising around today, really. Sweet plane, guys. It is. Oh yeah. Just do a little inverted. It'll be a little nose heavy, but it ain't too bad. Not too bad. And guys, people have been asking me what my throws are. I use 100% throws all the way around with 40% expo. And that's what I usually do on most of my planes. Except for 3D planes, they're a little different. But most of my planes, I always use 100%. Everybody like, why don't you use low rates? Well, I use low rates when you can use expo. Just keep it at 100, and I'm just the way I'm used to flying, guys. But yeah, 100% all the way around. Actually, it might be 45% expo in this. It's either 40 or 45. I'm not really for sure, but all right, guys, we got 40 something seconds left, so let's go ahead and set us up for a landing.
Gear down.
Bouncy landing. Bouncy, but hey, I'll take it. It's back in one piece, so we good to go. Good to go, guys. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Like always, if you want this plane to be, links in the description. So appreciate all the new subscribers out there. Thank y'all so much. Almost at 4,200. Can't believe that, guys. blow my mind every week, guys. You really do. So, anyways, till we do it again, say flying God bless and Happy New Year to everybody. Bye, bye, bye.